This week's top stories. CIBSE praises publication of new regulations for higher risk buildings. The Chartered Institution for Building Services Engineers has welcomed the publication of major changes to building regulations. These changes will enable further elements of the Building Safety Act to be fully implemented in England on the 1st of October 2023. Mace to help install solar membrane on roof of London Stadium. A new carbon-saving solar membrane is to be installed on the roof of the London Stadium, project managed by Mace. The membrane will generate more than 1 million kilowatts per hour of renewable energy per year, equating to 10% of the stadium's current electricity usage. The 150 million-year-old stone that is firmly back in fashion. Used since Roman times, Portland stone is a type of limestone building material that has been used extensively in some of Britain's most notable structures and continues to be used in homes today. A popular stone for architecture, it's been used in the construction of the Bank of England, St Paul's Cathedral and the BBC's Broadcasting House. We take a look at its resurgence in popularity.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.